another project for the old car. Okay, I had this one right here, my beat up 2004 Toyota Tundra V8 4.7 right there. Okay, I had a engine light coming on. I scan it. It says it's a purge valve leaking. It's right here, right there. That one right there. So it's not running as smooth as it could. So I bought a new one. Right here. It's going through right there. Right here, see? You have to kind of look. It's right there. That's new one. And then I'm going. All you have to do is right there, man. Just one screw right there, right there. Take that off. Unplug that, and this air thing. And take it out and put them right back on, and that ought to work. And that ought to clear that engine light. That's called purge valve leaking. So yeah, it's not that hard to look for. It's right here. So I'm just gonna unscrew that and screw right back on and plug it back on, and hopefully that works. It cleared out. All right guys, hopefully that helped. Thank you.